Hello everyone, I am starting the vlog, not at home. I am in I guess a cafe, and I'm here with Jessica and Ricky to have lunch, even though I haven't eaten. I have tea. Jessica and Rachel have iced lattes. This is Rachel. Jessica says hi. And we're just deciding what to eat now. Food has finally arrived. Finally finished lunch. We're taking out baked goodies home. Forgot to film the goods, but we've basically got like strawberry tarts and all. I am now a boss. I'm gonna go pick on my disposable camera pictures. The day has come, guys. They're ready to be picked up. I got them! Had a look at the pictures and they're so cute. Kind of worth the about £50 I spent on them. £50 on like 70 odd disposable camera pictures. Most expensive pictures. Oh. But yeah, some of the pictures were a bit too dark and some of them were like covered by fingers. So yeah, I'll insert a clip right now to show you what some of the pictures look like. This is one of the camera's pictures, and here's some of the outcomes. This, wow, so pretty. Another great picture. So cute. These turned out so well. Cute. This one, I learned that I should use flash because a few of the pictures you can't really see our faces. For example, this could use some flash too. Like, wow, so aesthetic. Yeah. But I'm currently on my way to transition to go up to Glasgow. All packed up in a backpack because I'm going to a friend's birthday party today, Auntie's birthday party, and it's Met Gala themed, so we'll all be glammed up. That's why I've tried to put on single false eyelashes onto my eyes. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, I'm gonna head up, get changed, and then go to the party. Just made it. Oh. I was about to get off the second floor at the Airbnb, my friend's Airbnb, and the door wasn't open, so I got up to the third floor and I'm walking down the stairs. Oh my god, imagine I just got stuck at the lift. That would not be good. That door was very late. Struggling there. Happy birthday! I have now arrived at Anthony's gaff and I'm about to get changed out of this and into my outfit and glam myself up a bit, more like touch up. So I'm gonna see you in a bit. And I'm ready, ta-da! Oh, touch up my makeup with some lipstick and change into my dress and heels. Let me show you. Is this my outfit? A black dress with black heels. The dress is what I call kind of witch-like. It has a shorter skirt inside and then a mesh outer skirt, very flowy. And then this bit is tight, kind of tight. Well, it fits well anyway. And then it's got a mesh puff kind of sleeves like this, which you can wear like this or wear it up. These and the back just looks like this. Yes. Yeah, ready for Met Gala. Anthony's outfit, give me a little twirl. Woo! Birthday boy! Just borrowing Anthony's golden tiara and I feel like a queen. Oh my god. Time for the photo shoot.
Oh, it's a good phrase.
getting ready. We are waiting for an Uber because it is raining. Look at this bougie. Bougie! Look at my fellow vlogger. Vlog section. Hey! Ooh, you wanna play something for us, Vanessa? No, I don't know how to play anymore. No, I haven't played in a while. Oh, this is like wedding vibes. Who's getting married? My outfit really does not match. Why am I wearing black? Beautiful balloons. We have filled the car. It only took us like, you know, half an hour. Look at the food. Damn. Sheesh, a new addition to the table. It's grand. I'm matching with the grand piano. Wow. Happy birthday, dear Anthony. Happy birthday to you. Bye. Mine. Okay, so we're trying this sweet that apparently tastes like skin.
It's really weird. It's like gone off grape, as Natalie described.
Okay, gone off grape. It feels like, you know those fishy sausages that are like, you have...
Lachern?
No, not lachern. It's the fish sausages that... The texture's really weird. Yeah.
Why is it spicy?
It's not spicy, guys.
No, it's not spicy, but it's just...
It's...
Like, do you get your skin? I feel like...
I can kind of get the skin.
If I try skin, I feel that's what it tastes like.
No. I really don't like the texture.
I know.
It's like a gone off grape when it's a bit squishy, but then it's like a bit chewy, and you can get the skin of the grape.
Oh, your skirt tickled me.
No. Tickle, tickle.
Tickle, tickle.
Not nice. As you can see, I am ready to do my skincare. I am at Katie's house, and we're back from the party. Gonna finally wash my face and then get ready for bed, I guess. Yeah. Hope you all enjoyed this vlog. Eventful day, and I will see you another day. Bye. Still out with some more things to do before I head home and actually end the vlog. Just had a little breakfast at Katie's and we're now heading.
We had a PB&J.
PB&J tea and then next week. But now we're going out to town to have lunch. Whoa! And Katie is driving. Look at the sunroof. Today's weather seems okay. It's still a bit warm, but yeah, we'll see. We're gonna meet up with Bonnie, and I don't know where we're gonna go for lunch, but I will let you know then. Past 10 in Queen Street Station. You look cute today. Thank you. Oh my god, guys! If you know, you know. We're now at Lanzhou, for lunch. Our dumplings have arrived. So has Bonnie. Dumpling. Where are you? It doesn't touch me as hard because I'm eating it with the dumpling. Yeah.
Do you want more?
Second dish has arrived. Noodles. Getting the shot. The sun's out again. How much can you pull? It's like Mary Poppins bag. Oh, there we go. Taking pictures. Are you okay, Bonnie? Ah, she's so much more influencer than me. She got the whole set. Standing tripod, ring light and phone holder.
It's actually quite a good deal. It was something.
Oh, on Amazon, guys. Link is not in bio because I don't know where it is. Photoshoot things. Guys, I'm crying. It's so funny. Look at my tears. They were watching us, but now they all. But now they turned their backs on us because we're crazy. Finish our impromptu photo shoot. Photo shoot done. Whoa! So many. I probably like 500 pictures and videos.
I think over 1,000.
Over 1,000. Yeah. So I'll be busy tonight. I don't know what I'm doing tonight and maybe tomorrow and just the rest of the week. Head home now. Finally heading home. And I will not be hungry for dinner. Setting up the Ring doorbell. And now I'm also setting up the Echo Show that came with it. Watch me peel this plastic. Let's get the oh. This one. Wow. Very nice. Oh, you can see me. Dinner time. Spaghetti. Very noodle based meals today.
This device is ready.
Alexa, play me a song.
Playing the music you requested. For over 90 million songs on demand, say try Amazon Music Unlimited. Playing your personalized station, My Soundtrack, from Amazon Music.
Eat the strawberry tarts I bought yesterday. Oh, cheers. So good. So good. And again, I go, I switch off my lights and I'm about to sleep. And I'm like, oh wait, I forgot to end the vlog. I'm sorry, but at least I remembered. And here I am ending the vlog. I hope you enjoyed the last 2 days. Very eventful. Yeah, you get to see me all glammed up. And well, I don't know when else I'm gonna vlog, but give it a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.